Okay, welcome back. I'm looking at measuring ZE, okay, using a mega. Okay, so let me just get to the, sorry, let me get to the top. Okay. Measuring ZE, external earth fault loop impedance, okay. Incoming earth disconnected from block for testing. Red probe, green probe, mega, HI in green section, okay. This is done with the supply switched off. To calculate ZE using the mega, we must have the green lead connected to the incoming earth. The incoming earth must be disconnected from the earth block in the board. Excuse me. The mega must be set to HI in the green section. Okay. The red probe on incoming mains. Now prospective fault current PFT. This test measures the maximum current that will flow in the circuit under fault conditions. The protective device must have a higher fault current rating. Than the measured prospective fault current. If the protected device is rated at less than the prospective fault current, PFC, then it could be damaged by the high current generated when a fault occurs. That's interesting. But you would want it to trip when the fault occurs. And there must be something I'm thinking of. The prospective fault current should be highest at the origin of installation. Okay. That would mean that your device would operate and protect your circuit. Okay, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Now please confirm and refer to the IE regulations to make sure you are compliant at all times with that standard. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.